So after watching Andrew Tate for a couple of months, he drew me into his way of life. I mean, he has hundreds of cars and lives just an insane lifestyle. So I decided I would try Andrew Tate's Hustle University and learn dropshipping. I try to generate millions of dollars just like how his students are, and just become a top G that makes millions of dollars online by just running businesses off my phone and laptop. I went through the course session and used the criteria to find a winning product. It has to acquire the entire criteria from Andrew Tate's dropshipping course. And then I came across this product that I thought would work very well. To doing that, I decided to follow the course, how to create a website for the product. This led to me creating a not bad website. It's not very good, but it's not very bad. So with that being said, this is what my website looks like. Now it's time for the hardest part, marketing. So this means two things. You need to create viral and clickable ads for people to actually see and buy your product. And that also means having and coming up with a great ad strategy that will actually get you views and clicks for your store. In the course, they said that you can outsource all of this work to get some top-notch work done. So if it's top-notch, that makes the viewer more enticed to buy. In the course, they talk about this website called DropViz. DropViz is where you can find winning products and also winning videos for your website. This will lead to you having sales. Those are the two combinations to having a successful dropshipper store. Having a winning product and also having a winning video. So I ended up using DropViz to create my ad, and then I published it to Facebook. I used them because it's made by professionals. So I spent about $80 on the ad, and on that day we brought in 0 sales. I mean, we got 200 visitors, but we didn't get anybody to purchase the product. So those visitors cannot back up the store. So that means one or two things. Either this product is too saturated, or we just need more time. The next day I spent another $80. We came home with another 0 sales. At this point, I don't know what it was that led to me not getting any sales. Maybe it's the course, or maybe it's just my store. So I posted on day 3, and we got about 2 sales, and we made $0 in profit. It's definitely not a scam, because you get actually what he tells you. You get 18 minor wealth creation methods. And yes, you can make money from every last one of these methods. But the $50 is actually worth it. If you guys want another video on Andrew Tate's course, drop a like and subscribe, and also comment.